Hello everyone, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. Friends, how is you doing? What? Did I say something wrong? Yes, you rightly guessed it. I used how is you doing instead of how are you doing. And of course, when I made an error, the sentence did not click you at all. Friends, similarly, we make these errors in our day-to-day communication. And often we make some unconscious errors which we are not even aware of. So in this video, we are particularly going to discuss about some common mistakes which we make unconsciously and we are not even aware of those. So let's discuss them with some examples one by one. If errors smell bad in our communication, it's our duty to turn those errors into fragrance. So, we'll particularly discuss about 6 sentences and each sentence relates to one rule. So, let's understand it one by one. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the updates about our future videos. So, let's get started. The first sentence, she said that she will not go. So if I ask you what is the error in the sentence, I'll give you some time to guess that error. Have you done it? Let me tell you, the error is in this part. Now why will not come here? She said that she will not go. This is an example of indirect speech. When we have a direct speech with us, so we say, she said, comma, inverted comma start, I will not go. But the moment we transform it into indirect speech, we say, we put that, she said that she and will is changed according to this reporting verb into would. So would in place of will be used here. So make sure. Unconsciously, we use will and we never know that we are making a blunder in the communication. Let's look at another example. Sentence number 2. My mother told to the boy not to worry. So what is the error? Just try and guess it. You have few seconds to guess the error. Okay, let me tell you the answer. My mother told to will not come here. Because whenever we say told, we never put to. We always put to with said. My mother said to the boy, comma, inverted comma start, do not worry. But this again is an example of an indirect speech. So we would say, my mother told the boy not to worry. To will not come with told in indirect speech. Let's look at example number 3. I did not forgot his birthday. What is the error? Yes, let me tell you, did is already used here in the sentence as a helping verb and it is the second form of the verb. And we have again one verb which is an action verb, forgot. So 2 second forms. We cannot have a second form of the verb with did. We always use did plus first form in the simple past and negative. So we will replace forgot with forget. I did not forget his birthday. Example number 4. They have not visited us from many days. Now what is the error in this particular sentence? Let me tell you, the error is in the use of preposition, that is from. Because whenever we talk about present perfect, past perfect or future perfect tenses and perfect continuous tenses, we use since and for to give reference to a period of time. So here we use many days, with many days we use for. They have not visited us for many days. They have not visited us since last Sunday. So we would use since for, not from here in this context. Example number 5. She is listening the music. What is the error in it? The sentence seems correct to me, but yes, there is an error. We always use the preposition to with the verb listening. So whenever you say, I listen to music, I listen to beautiful songs. So with listening will always be a preposition connected, that is to. She is listening to the music is the correct sentence. Example number 6. He pretended as if he was crazy. I wish I were a bird. Look at this sentence. I am wishing something. I am wishing something against reality which cannot happen. So he pretended. Pretended means he showed off. He just pretended and made a show as if tells kind of situation which is not in reality. Just he showed off as if he was crazy. So instead of was, because it is just an imagination, we would use were. So that is how these common errors are not actually looking like errors, but still we make it and still we fall into kind of ditch where we are never able to come back in terms of our communication. So let's not repeat such errors in future, and if you want any of the errors in any part of speech to be discussed in our future videos, just write us in the comment section so that we can rightly make videos according to your need and your demand. Stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and click on the bell icon so that you are always tuned with us and always get our videos in the first place. Thank you very much for watching.